In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys an easy 1-minute scalping strategy that you guys can use to catch 10 pips a day. That's what I'm going to be showing you guys in today's video. But before we actually get into today's video, so if you guys want access to my signals on Discord, the link is going to be down below in the description. All you have to do is to just click the link down below and you guys will definitely get access to my trading community here on Discord. So now let's get this video started. So to use this strategy, we're going to be taking a look at GBP JPY. But before we take a buy position or a sell position, there are two things we need to figure out and make sure we identify before we take any positions at all. And in today's video, to use this strategy, I recommend switching your time frame to the 5-minute time frame, even though our entry is going to be on the 1-minute time frame. We need to switch to the 5-minute time frame to figure out our highs and our lows. This is absolutely what I recommend. So now to look at this sell position right over here, this happened actually today. And we actually traded this live on NFP, and it was just an amazing trade. We caught about 60 pips on this sell. So but in this video, we're just looking to get 10 pips and we out of the trade. So we have this high over here. So this was our previous high. Looking at this right here on the 5-minute time frame, so we've identified our previous high and we have our previous low right over here. So now once you've identified your highs and your lows, now it's time for you to go back to the 1-minute time frame to wait patiently and take your sell position. So now what we need to do is we need to make sure that price breaks and closes below our previous low. Once that happens, now we can take a sell position. Now I'm gonna put this in replay mode and show you guys where your entry will be using this strategy for this sell position. So let's put this in replay mode and let's take a look. Now we have the break and close below our previous low here. Now what we're waiting for is we need to see a bearish candle close below our previous low. Now let's continue looking at this. So now we will have our sell position, we'll have our sell entry right over here at this bearish candle right over here, because if you look at it, this candle actually broke this, so we can have our sell entry right over here, and you can have your stop loss right above your previous low, and you just simply target your 10 pips and you have your 10 pips right there. And as you guys can see, we got that take profit smashed right there for 10 pips. So you get your 10 pips and then you're out of the trade, and you come back the next day and just simply do the same thing. All you're doing is you rinse and repeat, and you keep getting your 10 pips, and you'll be able to compound and be able to grow your account. Because when it comes to this Forex industry, making money is all about compounding. That's all. That's it. It's just all about compounding. So now that's how you use this strategy to take a sell position. You could have get in right here. Some people will do this, but this is not what I recommend. I don't recommend using it that way. Instead, just wait for price to break and close below your previous low, or you can say your support zone, and then you get in the trade, and then you get you 10 pips and you're out of the trade. Now, and you always remember, we're doing this on the 1-minute time frame. So now we're going to look for a buy position. So let's look for a buy position here. We're going to go back to the 5-minute time frame, and we can look for a buy position. Let's see here. We just got to keep looking. Okay, so we can use this buy position here. Now what we need to figure out is to take a buy position, figure out our highs and our lows. So we have this high right over here. This was our previous high. You always have to wait for your setup, guys. You always have to wait for your setup. So it's all about being patient for the right setup, and then you can take your trade, because remember, your take profit is very low. So, and we can say we have this low right here, we have this low right over here. So previous resistance here became support over here, as you guys can see. So now we've identified our highs and our lows. Now we can go back to the 1 minute time frame and we can actually look for that zone. So we just got to look for that zone here on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, now you've identified your highs and your lows. Now all you simply waiting for is you need price to break and close above your previous high, and then you can take your buy position. Now let's put this in replay mode just for fun, and I'm gonna show you guys where your entry is gonna be. So let's put this in replay mode and let's take a look and see where. Let me delete this. Let's see here. So let's go back to that buy position here. We just gotta look for the buy position again. This is the 1 minute time frame. That's why it's taking me some time here. This is the 1 minute time frame, as you guys know, as you guys can see. You just got to look for that zone real quick one more time. Let's see here. Okay, now I'll put this in replay mode and let me show you guys where your entry is going to be. Let's just start from right here and let's take a look and see where our entry is going to be. So we're waiting for the break and close. So we have the break and close above our previous high. Now you have your entry, you have your buy position right over here at this bullish candle here. You have your entry right there, and you can have your stop loss right below this previous high, and you simply just target your 10 pips. You target your 10 pips. So we got 10 pips right there. And you can always target 12 pips or 13 pips, simply because of the spread of your broker, so that by the time your take profit gets smashed, you would have exactly 10 pips. So you can always target 13 pips or 15 pips. So we have 10 pips, or you can simply just target 10 pips. It doesn't matter. So you have your 10 pips here and your stop loss right below your previous low, your previous high. And let's see how this trade played out. Right there, you got your take profit smashed and you're out of the trade, and you come back the next day and simply do the same thing again. So it's all rinse and repeat, guys. Just simply rinse and repeat. So guys, this is exactly how you use this scalping strategy on the 1 minute time frame and catch 10 pips a day. So guys, I hope you find value in this video. If you found value in this video, give this video a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. And guys, don't forget to join my trading community down below on Discord. Next year, January, we're gonna start a $100 challenge. We're trying to grow that $100 to $1 million in 14 weeks. A lot of you might see this video and be like, oh, that's simply impossible. Well, I'm here to tell you, I don't believe in impossibilities. I believe in possibilities. So we're starting a challenge next year, January, $100. That's all you need, and the challenge is to get that $100 to potentially get to $1 million in 14 weeks. 14 weeks, that's about I think 4 to 6 months. So that's the goal. So guys, the link to my Discord trading community is going to be down below in the description. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. God bless you all. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace and love.